Most people don't struggle financially because they're lazy. They struggle because they have no financial goals. Without goals, money disappears fast, and years pass without progress. So in this video, we'll talk about the 7 financial goals everyone should have if you want more stability, peace, and financial growth. And trust me, the last one matters more than money itself. If you enjoy financial contents like this, subscribe to this channel so you won't miss more of our upcoming videos. Let's begin. Goal number 1, build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Unexpected bills, emergencies, or job loss can happen anytime. That's why your first goal should be building an emergency fund. Start small. Even saving a little consistently is better than saving nothing, because savings give you peace during difficult times. Goal number 2, eliminate bad debt. Debt can quietly destroy your finances, especially high-interest debt like credit cards, unnecessary loans, or spending beyond your income. One of the best financial goals is becoming debt-free. The less debt you have, the more freedom you gain. Goal number 3, learn high-income skills. Your income grows based on the value of your skills. Learning skills like freelancing, sales, video editing, business, or digital marketing can increase your income for years. Investing in yourself is one of the smartest financial decisions you can make. Goal number 4, start investing early. A lot of people wait too long before investing, but the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. You don't need to be rich to start investing. You just need consistency. Goal number 5, create multiple income sources. Depending on one paycheck alone is risky. That's why many financially successful people build extra income streams. It could be a side hustle, online business, freelancing, or content creation. Even small extra income can create long-term stability. Goal number 6, set clear financial targets. Saying, I want to be rich is not enough. Real goals are specific, like saving a certain amount, paying off debt, or investing monthly. Clear goals help you make better money decisions. Goal number 7, achieve financial peace. The ultimate goal is not just wealth, it's peace. True financial success means less stress, less worry, and more freedom in life. Because money is just a tool. The real goal is building a better future. So those are the 7 financial goals everyone should have. Which financial goal are you focusing on right now? Comment it below. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial content.